Welcome guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I'm going to show you a website called Nova EX AI. So this website is about airdrop. As usual, we do airdrops on our channel. So without wasting much time, let's get into the website. So now the link will be in the description of this video or in my Telegram channel, so you can join my Telegram channel to get a link to this website, or in the description of this video. Now, clicking on the link, you land on a website just like this. Now, username, password, you confirm your password, you put my invitation code to claim free 1000 tokens of this Nova EX airdrop, which is worth $1,000 exactly, since this token, one of this token worth $1 currently. This claim, or after registration, the first claim you're going to claim is worth $1,000, since the airdrop token worth $1 per coin. So now, without wasting much time, let's go into the app of this website to see how things function. So you can download it on Android or iOS for high performance, reliable and secure spot, perpetual contrast quantitative trading system. So this is airdrop, which potentially we can make thousands of dollars. So I always advise my people not to invest in such websites or just such platform. We always leverage the free ways of making money from this site or this platform. So this is the best way to make money freely online without losing your funds. So now let's get into the app. Now this is the interface of the app, and this is how the app looks like after registration and downloading the app. Now let me show you something here. Now you move to the me section in the right hand section. Now you can see the total tokens we have, or total assets we have in our account balance is 2,530 USDT, and at the same time you can see 2,530 next token. Now let me show you something here. Move to the home page and now click on deposit. So now you can see our account balance says $2,530. Now look down where they say next token. So next token here says $1 per token. As you can see, $1 per token. So we have 2,530 tokens of next token. So this is equivalent to 2,530. So as simple as that. Now we hope to hold this token for a while, and after their event, they launch the coin successfully, or hopefully we make some bag out of this coin. So now let me show you something here. You can see the check-in corner here. You click on the check-in, and daily you can claim free tokens by checking in daily on this app, and it's as simple as that. Guys, don't sit there idle and let this coin pass at the wrong side. Join and log in. Hopefully we make some money. We don't invest in platforms such like this. You always try and leverage the free ways to make money on these platforms. So join now. Let's make some money. Subscribe for more free airdrop websites. Until then, bye now.